Good day, good day everyone. I am Susie Mugakot Jr. from the College of Fisheries and Aquatic Sciences. So today I'm going to present my thesis entitled Livelihood Assistance of Fisheries Sector in Barangay Candawaga, Rizal, Palawan, Philippines. So proceed to the introduction. ACOSA in Abalos 2018 that the Philippines Department of Social Welfare and Development has taken the lead in providing opportunities for income-generating activities livelihood development through the implementation of Sustainable Livelihood Program, or SLP, since 2011. The government, through the Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources, recently distributed fishing gear in steered farm implements such as payaw, fishing boats, motor engines, gill nets, and fish pots to 1,046 fishers in three solo municipalities in the coastal town of Maimbong, recorded as one of the poorest municipality of Sulu. So proceed to the statement of the problem. So determine the socio-demographic profile such as age, sex, civil status, educational attainment, religion, ethnicity, and average monthly income. And also determine the livelihood assistance by fisher folks in Barangay Candawaga, Rizal, Palawan. Determine the issues in availing the livelihood assistance in Barangay Candawaga, Rizal, Palawan. Materials and methods. Local of the study, as we can see, map of the Philippines, province of Palawan, also municipality of Rizal, and also the Barangay Candawaga, Rizal, Palawan, Philippines. The Barangay Candawaga is known and having large population of fisher folks in Palawan. Treatment of the gathered data. The researcher employed a snowball sampling approach to determine the frequency counts, percentage, and mean to assess livelihood assistance among the fishery folk sector as well as the total quota 50 populations in Barangay Candawaga, Rizal, Palawan. Results and discussions. Age. Out of 50 respondents, 18 or 36 were within the age range of 41 to 50 years old. 15 or 30% in the age range of 51 to 60 years old. 9 or 18% were in 31 to 40 years age bracket, while 8 or 16% are in age range of 21 to 30 years old. Result shows that majority of respondents were in the age of range of 41 to 50 years old. So we have a mean 43.50 years old. Sex, as the sex of the respondents, there were 40 or 80% and 10 or 20% are female. This implies that majority of the fisher folk were males. Rizal is a rural area and source of living there is agriculture, so men preferred to work in the farm. Civil status. In terms of civil status, 41 or 82% were married and 9 or 18% were single. It implies that many of the fisher folks are married. Highest, highest educational attainment. Based on the result, 14 or 28% are elementary graduate, 12 or 20% were high school graduate, 8 or 16% are senior high completers, 4 or 8% finish college, while 2 or 4 reach elementary level, college level, and no educational attainment at all. It implies that majority of respondents are elementary graduate, which is opportunity for work and career advancement are limited. So monthly income, as the average of monthly income, 24 or 48% answer that their income is ranging from 4,000 to 6,000 pesos. 22 or 44% answered 1,000 to 3,000 pesos, while 2 or 4% said that their income is ranging 7,000 pesos to 13,000 pesos. It result implies that majority of the respondents had family income ranging from 4,000 to 6,000 pesos, with mean of 4,040 pesos. So proceed. As the religion of respondents, 24 or 48% are Roman Catholic, 12 or 24% were Islam, 7 or 14% are Apostolic, and 4 or 8 answered Baptist, while or 2% are Apostolic, Adventist, and Castillo. The result shows that majority of the respondents are Roman Catholic. So proceed to the ethnicity. As the ethnicity, 23 or 46% were Bisaya, 15 or 30% are Palawan, 10 or 20% Ilonggo, while 1 or 2% answered Tausog in Tagalog. The result shows that most dominant ethnicity is Bisaya. So proceed to the livelihood assistance. Table shows that livelihood assistance from the government and private sector that the respondents were able to avail. Result shows that out of 50 fisher folks, 26 or 52% were able to receive cash assistance during the distribution. 24 or 48% were able to get Gilnet. 9 or 18% received Bangka, 8 or 16% attended trainings and seminars conducted by the local government unit of Rizal. 1 or 2% received ingent or makina. According to the respondents, no food fillets were distributed. This implies that the distribution of gillnet is priority as the main equipment material in fishing. Also discourages the use of illegal equipment in fishing. So, so let's proceed to the problems encountered by the fisher folks during availing the assistance. So, problem encountered by respondents while availing the livelihood assistance from the government and private sector. The respondents got the following main rated agree by the respondent, such as lack of dissemination of information during distribution of assistance. 2.44 assistance as it does not correspond to what they need is 2.20. Palakasan culture to receive assistance while rated neutral. This is the statement the recipient of the assistance not properly assessed with a mean rating of 1.82. So the overall mean is 2.14. So it means it's neutral or fairly encountered problem. So conclusion, recipients of the level assistance are mature individual. Government is supporting to the needs of the fisher folks in Barangay Candawaga, Rizal, Palawan. Livelihood assistance given to the fisher folks does not conform to their needs. For the recommendation, the government or LGU should conduct training and seminars to the fisher folks in order to expand their expertise and provide more goods to the market for the community. To ensure that information is widely distributed, the government or LGU should notify the beneficiary of the assistance prior to distribution. Livelihood assistance should be based on the needs of the community. Thank you, and that's all.